Hi everyone, this is Prashad Parthiban. Today I'm going to explain the differences between traditional insurance versus specialty insurance. So most of you know the way traditional insurance works is we have property, we have general liability. On top of it, if you take personal lines, we have personal auto and homeowners. Most of these lines of business are very straightforward. When I say straightforward, they have certain standard risk exposures. So when it comes to underwriting, it is very straightforward to rate those policies because we have many risk exposures related to these policies. So that is what we call them as traditional insurance. Now we also have specialty insurance. In contrast to traditional insurance, these specialty insurance are unusual, high risk exposures that are very unique. That is the reason why they call them as specialty insurance. And I just wanted to show the differences because it will help you to grasp very easily if you see the difference between traditional insurance versus specialty insurance. So if you take traditional insurance, as I told you, it covers common risk like personal auto, commercial property, etc. etc. Whereas specialty insurance covers unique, complex and high risk exposures. For example, cyber, event insurance, professional liability. Event is like, say, if you have one specific event where you are celebrating a birthday party for your kids, you want to have unique insurance for that particular party. The insurance company needs unique expertise to kind of underwrite those policies, right? Professional liability, as you know, if you have a doctor or lawyer, due to their professional advice, if something happens to their clients, so you need some insurance. That's what we call this professional liability. So those kind of policies are very unique. That's the reason why we call them as specialty insurance, and the underwriting also have to be done very carefully because of the uniqueness of that policies. The second difference is it offers standardized policies, right? Like as I told you, there are standard templates when it comes to traditional insurance. Most of them use ISO policies or some of them they have their own policies. But the point here is the policy structure is standard, right? It's like like we have first party coverages, third party coverages, etc. Whereas if you take a specialized insurance, specialty insurance, because of its own uniqueness, it has to be very flexible in nature. When I say flexible, the policy form can be customized to the core so that it is adapted to the need of the specialty insurance. That's what they say. It offers highly customized policies that meets the specific needs of the specialty insurance customers. Then also, as I told you, it requires general underwriting knowledge, right? As I told you, traditional insurance are not that unique. It is available across multiple insurance companies. So the underwriting guidelines are not that unique. It's straightforward. Whereas if you take specialized insurance, specialty insurance, it needs specialty expertise, right? Like if you example, if you are underwriting a professional lines, right? Say a lawyer's insurance where you need to provide insurance for lawyers due to their work nature. The insurance company have to have underwriters who have expertise knowledge on that particular area. If not, what will happen? There could be a huge claim or a catastrophic claim that could take away the insurance company's premium, right? So that's the difference between traditional and specialty when it comes to underwriting knowledge. And then as I told you, it's widely available, right? As I told you, 60 to 70% of the US insurance have this traditional insurance like auto, property, personal auto. Whereas when it comes to specialty, very few insurance company have that expertise of specialty insurance. So that's the reason why we call them as, it's a very limited niche insurance companies, or the brokers also have to have specialized knowledge to provide this specialty insurance. And because of the uniqueness of the specialty insurance, the premium is higher, right? Because you're right, insurance companies are undertaking a huge risk here because of its uniqueness. As a result, they will charge you higher premium. Whereas in case of traditional insurance, because of its it's not that unique like specialty, it's available across the US. So the premium is relatively lower. As I told you, the core thing you need to understand is in traditional insurance, it's not a unique risk. It's kind of most available policies across US. And when it comes to specialty, it's unique and also it has high exposure. As a result, you need underwriting expertise with unique knowledge, and also the premium is higher. Once again, thank you so much for your continuous support. Have a great day. Bye-bye.